Welcome to watch GTX 1070 Reaper. Here is the GPU chip. GP104, and I removed the current steering subcircuit, and you can also see the big hole on the PCB. Phase 3, 259 kHz. Phase 4, 259 kHz. And phase 2, 259 kHz. And phase 1, 259 kHz. All 4 phases are synchronized, and there is a picture. Huge hole on the PCB. And it is alive. It is running Heaven benchmark at a power limit of 50%. But most important thing is that it works. Now I want to see, of course, how it runs. Can it run at full power?